In this video, we will be doing a question of miscellaneous exercise in our 8085 lab list, and that is division of two 8-bit numbers. So how do you divide two numbers? Very easy, but let's now study how we do it in 8085. I will, as I have done the multiplication program explanation, we will do the dry run of this program so you understand the concept behind the execution, and then you can easily code the program on your computers. First, what happens during division? Let's understand the concept. You have a number, let's say 24 is your number, which needs to be divided by 4. Okay, so this is the dividend and this is the divisor. 4 is dividing 24. So what happens is the quotient comes out to be 6 and the remainder comes out to be 0. But what happens if the numbers are reversed? Like 4 is the dividend and 24 is the divisor. So what do? What happens is the quotient becomes 0 and the remainder comes as 4. Okay, so you will be dealing with both these kinds in this program. So let's jump to our program now. See, LXI at 00, again the numbers are coming from locations 0003 and 0004. The dividend, the divisor 0003 is storing the divisor, so this would be storing 4, and this would be storing what? Our dividend, the dividend and the divisor. Okay, so now let's start the execution of the program, the dry run. LXI at 0003, move B comma M. So what happens is B gets the value 4. Then C, I am initializing to 00. It will be storing the quotient. How? We'll look during the execution. Then INXH, we increment the pointer, and then the contents of the memory location from 0004 are moved onto accumulator. So this is how the dividend comes into accumulator. Okay, after this you need to compare A and B. CMPB does what? It compares the contents of location register A with register B. So what happens is, in this step, the contents of 24, the contents of accumulator, that is 24, will be compared with 4, the content of B. Jump if carry to loop. Will a carry come? No. When these two numbers are subtracted, no carry is generated. So I do not need to jump to this label. In fact, I will come to this place, sub B, because no carry is generated. So I will be coming to this step, sub B. What happens is, sub B says what? A equals to A minus B. So what do I do here? A is storing 24, B is storing 4. So after this, I get 20 in accumulator. Okay. After this, I increment C. Since one division step has happened, so quotient will now be getting 1. Okay. Then jump next. So what do I do after this? I jump to next. CMPB. Again, A and B will be compared. A and B will be compared. So now 20 will be compared with 4. Since A is storing 20 now. Okay. So is a carry generated here? No. 20 minus 4 does not generate a carry. No carry is generated. Okay. Here also no carry is generated. So I move to the next step, sub B, where I do what? A equals to A minus B. That is 20 minus 4. So A will be storing 16 now. Okay. And then I again one division step has occurred. So now C equals to 2. Jump next, CMPB. So now this time when A and B are compared, 16 is being compared with 4. Will a carry be generated? No. No carry will be generated. After this, but since no carry is generated, we will be moving to the next step, sub B, where what will happen is A minus B. What happens is 16 minus 4. What do I get? I get a 12. Okay. When I get a 12, sub B has happened, INR C. So do I what? what do I do? C equals to 3 and then jump next again. Here I'm again comparing A and B, A compared with B. That means 12 compared with 4. So 12 minus 4. No carry is generated. Okay. After this, what happens is no carry is generated. So sub B. So what happens here is 12 minus 4C. A equals to A minus B. What happens is 12 minus 4 equals to 8. Okay. After that, INR C equals to 4. Jump next. I'll be doing it here. Okay. So jump next. Next is what? CMPB. So now this time 8 and 4 will be compared. So A question mark B is 8 compared with 4. No carry is generated again. No carry is generated, sub B. So what do I do? A minus B equals to 8 minus 4. What do I get in A? I get a 4 in A. After that, INR C equals to 5. C equals to 4. Now C has become 5. Jump next. I again come to CMPB. This is the terminating condition actually. We'll keep comparing B. What will happen? C. Now I compare B. So A is storing what? 4. So 4 compared with 4. Again, no carry generated. 4 minus 4 does not generate a carry. So after this, what step? We will not move to the jump if carry to loop. We are not going here. We are going to this place, sub B. So again, I do what? A equals to A minus B equals to 4 minus 4. Now A has become 0. After this, I do what? INR C equals to 6 and jump next. Jump next. What do I do here? I compare A and B. Now A is storing 0 and B is storing 4. As soon as I subtract 0 minus 4, carry is generated. This is the terminating condition here. As soon as carry is generated, I move to this label which is saying store accumulator onto 0005. What is accumulator storing? Accumulator is storing 0, right? So 0005 will store a 0. Okay. Then this is what? This will become the remainder. This was the dividend, the number which was divided, and this is the number which divided. Okay. This was stored in B, this was stored in A, and remainder has come. Okay, now what will happen is I have moved the remainder to 0005. Now C will be moved to A. C, what is C? C is 6. C will be moved to A. So A will become now what? A will become 6 and ST is 0006. So I am storing the quotient onto 0006. This is the quotient. So when 24 is divided by 4, we get a remainder 0 and we get a quotient 6. You can do the same dry run using 25 and 4. In that case, you will surely be getting a remainder 1, because here when you compare 1 question mark 4, a carry will be generated and you will be getting the remainder 1 in the location 0005. Try it and do it on your systems.